Hi, this is Steve with iFLEX. Welcome to our video series. In this segment, we're going to do a demonstration of how to make an end connection with our corrugated stainless steel gas line. So we are going to make this connection where we are going to put in all of these components and then make the final connection with our nut and adapter. So we'll go through that and we'll show you how we do it at iFLEX. Okay. This is just a look at the finished product. This is in 3/4. Okay, for that, the tools we'll need a pipe cutter or a tube cutter, and then we'll need a knife to cut back the sheathing on the pipe. Then we're going to need a pair of pliers to adjust the crimp ring that will fit over top of the pipe and secure the nut, the stop for the nut. And then we're going to need 2 adjustable wrenches so that we can, at the end, when we put the 2 pieces together and we make the final connection, we can screw those 2 together because they'll need to touch each other to finalize the connection. Okay, put those away for the time being, and we'll start with the pipe cutter. Okay, in this case, we've got a 3/4 inch piece. We're going to insert Okay, so you don't want to tighten it such that you're going to deform the pipe or to damage it. So you just go slowly, carefully. Until you get the full cut. Okay. So that is done. Next, we're going to take the knife. We're going to go back 4 valleys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And even if you wanted to go a 5th, that's not a problem because the edge of the adapter will cover that 1 extra valley. So 4 or 5. So we're just going to, just because it's easier in front of the camera here, I'm just going to turn the pipe. Obviously, otherwise you could just turn the knife around and then 1 slit to take it off. And there we have the pipe exposed. So to bring in our 3/4 inch kit. And again, the 3/4 inch kit has the retainer ring, has the sleeve, and has the O-ring. I'm just going to open that up. Okay, there are the 3 components. Then we have the nut and the adapter. Okay. So first thing we do is put the nut. Then we'll put the retaining ring. The retaining ring goes into the 4th valley. 1, 2, 3, 4. So onto the pipe. And then can actually secure by hand in many cases. Can almost make it nice and tight, but we do have pliers here, so we will just crimp it to make sure. Just a little tighter. Okay, so now that's done. That acts as a stop for the adapter. Next, we slide on the sleeve, the copper sleeve. That goes on and fits tightly to the back edge of the retainer. The O-ring then will slide on ahead of that in the 1st valley. And there you have it. That is basically the retainer ring, the copper sleeve, and the O-ring at the end. Now the nut slides over, and then we will connect it to the adapter, the MPT, in this case MIP, so male adapter. We'll tighten that as much as we can with by hand. And then we will bring in the adjustable wrenches to secure that. So again, this isn't clamped anywhere, so this might look a little ugly, but nonetheless. So we will just gently adjust these through. Okay, so there it's stopped. So there we have the final fitting of the connection, and that's how you make the connection on the iFlow corrugated stainless steel gas line. And then one last note, just to show you how it looks, I actually will take back the we'll pull back the nut, and we'll see that it has pulled the connector. It's pulled the connector directly over the sleeve, making a nice seal with the copper and with the O-ring, and there's the nut on it. Okay, thank you.